Hi everybody, Mr. Rubo here. Today we're going to continue with 1.3 rates of change in linear and quadratics. But this video is going to actually focus on concavity. Now, concavity is going to be a concept that comes up all the time in this course. Going from quadratics to exponentials, logs, even into some trig. We're going to talk about concavity. Okay, so this concept is going to be a very important one. So there's two types of concavity. Graph is going to be concave up or concave down. It can have multiple depending on how complex the graph is. But what these are, what concavity is, it's the average rate of change over equal length input value intervals is increasing. There we go. Increasing for all small length intervals in concave up, which basically means if you have a graph, and let's talk about this graph here, and you look at the average rate of change, which if you recall, we can kind of think of them as the slopes of the tangent lines. As you move left to right, these lines, if you even go from this slope down here, these are negative, 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 and then it's technically zero, then positive, and then it's getting more positive because it's getting steeper. So these average rate of changes are increasing. So this graph, this entire graph, is concave up. And guess what? Concave down is the exact opposite. So the average rate of change over equal length input value intervals is decreasing for all small length intervals. So again, just a quick example, if we have a graph that says, let's say, that's kind of a little bit more complicated than I wanted. Let's say it goes, just a nice quadratic that goes down. With this one, as I go left to right, again, if you look, I'm steep, getting less steep, so the number would be decreasing. That the slope of that tangent line is decreasing, gets to zero, and now it's going to be negative, and then it gets more negative, which means this is decreasing the entire way, which means this graph is concave down. Okay, so again, it's that idea of looking at the average rates of change. Right, that's the key with concavity. If they're increasing, it's concave up. Decreasing, it's concave down. Okay, and that's it for this video. So thanks for watching, everybody, and have a good day.